so why is project planning and project management so important? What is it?
Well, at the end of the day, it's how you reach your goal. Project management is the tools and the processes we use to reach our end goal, to make it the most effective project possible.
To make it successful,
yeah,
and to see it through, and for us to have literally a plan.
Also, it's a bit of a roadmap, you know, it's kind of the rules of engagement. It's how we're all going to get to the same goal. Not necessarily through the same methods or means, but we're all following the same path.
Yes, from point A to point B. Okay, so we are going to talk about the 5 W's of project management, why you should know them and how they are going to help you, and of course the 1 H.
Yes.
Yes, okay, so first is why. Why are we doing this project?
Right, so the most important question that we forget to ask is, why are we doing this? Are we doing it for profit? Are we doing it because we want to change a cause, or, you know,
change a culture even.
Change a culture, change legislation. Why are we doing what we are doing?
Exactly, the why is super important. That leads into the what. What are we doing? We know why we are doing it, but what are we going to do to reach the why? So are we going to launch a marketing campaign? Are we going to do a research report?
Yeah.
What are we going to do to move towards our why?
And then next is, of course, who?
Exactly.
Who are we doing this for? Who is our audience, our stakeholders? Who are the people that we need to get involved, or who are already involved?
Exactly. Who are your customers?
Right.
And who are the people that you're trying to impress or unimpress, maybe? I don't know. Yeah. But the who is very important. Okay, so we have the why, we have the what, we have the who. Now we need to know where. Where is this project going to take place?
Yes, it seems quite easy, isn't it?
Yeah, it does.
It's going to happen here, right? Where is here? Are we on the international stage? Are we local? Are we in South Africa? Where are you going to launch your project? And where will it be executed? Where you launch it might not be the same place where you execute it.
Yeah, and
so
remember that's going to have an influence on your budget.
Right,
and
that will
be an extra tip.
Exactly.
Okay, then we have the when. When are you going to launch this project? And that will play into everything really, because this is your plan. You need to be working in increments to make sure you deliver when you need to deliver.
Right, and when will you be done? A lot of the times with project management, we don't set an end date, not just the end goal, but the end date. So we can go on for ages and ages and ages and never really get anything done.
Exactly. So then you end up with a lot of money wasted and no practical outcomes. Does this sound familiar to any NPOs or NGOs listening? Okay, then we have the last one, how.
How, and I think that's the one as well. We skip through everything, go straight to the how. How are we going to make this happen? How are we going to do this? Stop, collect your information first. Get the why, get the who, get the what, get the where, get the when. And then how.
Then you figure it out. How? Yes, you break it up into your little parts and you figure out, how am I doing this part? How am I doing that part? And then again, you also assign. And again, it brings you back to who. Who's doing what?
Yes.
Who's doing what, really? And why, and where, and when. And you really need to bring this all together in a nice package,
right?
So that you know your project is managed correctly
and reaches a goal.
Exactly, and has a practical outcome. So if you want to know more about project management and how we can assist you with your projects, keeping them sustainable and successful, or implementing them and creating them for you, developing them for you, be sure to visit www.calibrics.com at the bottom of your screen right now. And as always,
remember to like, subscribe and share our video.
Yes, and we would love to hear from you. Comments, please.
Comments.
What are your thoughts on project management? What are you struggling with? Be sure to email us. The email address is on your screen, or you can comment on the video below. Thanks so much for watching.
Thank you.
See you next time.